Hey guys, welcome back to Aussie Homeschool Adventures. My name's Jo. It's great to have you here. Today I've got a bit of a clean with me, tidy with me. I'm going to be tidying up and cleaning up in our homeschool room. It is destroyed. We've had a busy few weeks and messes just piled up, built up, grown. So it's time to deal with that. I'll take you around and show you some of the mess, give you a taste of reality to make you feel better about your spaces, because this is real life. I haven't tidied up at all for this video. I have left things as they are, and yeah. So I'm going to get stuck in now and give this room a good tidy, clean, a dust, a vacuum as well at the end when it's all done, ready for another week of school. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I post all kinds of homeschooling, mum life, cleaning, homeschooling kinds of content. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos. I'll leave a link in the description below for some of my other favorite videos that I've filmed. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next one. So this is today's task. I'm going to deal with this mess. This is our homeschool lounge room. There is papers and books and craft projects and the iron from craft projects and papers and books and papers and books, headphones. And this is the lounge room part, and yeah. So this is my task for today: to clean, tidy, and restore some order into this space, ready for the week to come. So I've cleaned, I've tidied, we've dusted, our surfaces are mostly clean. That just needs to be re-glued tomorrow. The computer desks are tidy. I've got my pile of my planner and the advanced worksheets that I swap out for my daughter. So my homeschool planner and other worksheet stuff is piled up there. My craft table's clear. I might actually get a chance to craft. The laptop's tucked away. This has all been cleaned up and dusted and tidy. The bookcase is tidier than it was. Not too worried about that. Couch is all pretty and nice. The cat's back in her spot. So looking really good. Cleaned up the tops of the desks. All the school tables are clean. So yeah, it took most of the day, but it is finished and I am one happy mummy.